What is up, everyone? It's your boy SirFadedX here, and it's been a while since I've done a video, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your Epic Game Launcher if it keeps going like this. It's basically just a white screen, so what you're going to want to do first is close your Epic Games Launcher, obviously, so just exit, and then what you're going to do is go down your little search bar, put percentage, and then hit back, and then put temp, and then go to temp, click on local, and then search for your Epic Games Launcher. After that, you're going to see two files right here, and it's going to be saved that you want to click on. And this thing right here, and you just want to delete, just delete it, and it won't delete any of your game. Okay, then what you want to do is just open it up and it will be fixed. No thank you. I think why it's taking so long is this download. And there we go, it's fixed. As you guys can see, it's not white no more. It just has this download. That's why it took so long to start up. But that's it. That's all you got to do, and it's fixed. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped. If so, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as well as turn on notifications. I don't post that much, so it doesn't really matter if you do. I post on another channel called Gaming Loads, so if you guys would like to check that one out, I do Fortnite and Apex and other stuff like that. But peace out.